Hey guys, this is Chadley with MetalWorks with our first update on our 56 Chevy convertible project. And as you can see, there's really not a whole lot of car here, but we'll get into that. We're going to have a quick intro and explanation of the project from the shop owner, John. And then I've got a bunch of footage for you guys to check out of how we got to this point, and we'll take it a little beyond that. So thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you guys soon.
Hello everybody, this 56 convertible was just brought to us by a customer in California to restore. It's a car that he bought that turns out to be pretty much non-repairable. Unfortunately, that's the case because it's a 56 convertible. It's not just a typical Tri-5. This is something we're saving. As you can see, some of the substructure it's just gone. This thing's really rusty. It seems like it's been sitting in the bottom of the ocean. It's just non-repairable within reason. So what we want to be able to do is produce something for him that's worth having, that's solid. And the idea came across that we would take this car, this body, cut off the entire front cowl section, which is where the VIN and the title value comes into play. So we'll take this entire cowl, cut it off, acid dip it, clean it up. We're going to send it to a company called Real Deal Steel in Florida. They're going to take our cowl section and put it into one of their complete bodies. What we'll end up having then is a car that will have all new sheet metal in the back, retain the original cowl and VIN, so you can retain the title, which will be titled a 56 Chevy convertible. And it's just a great way to save this thing.
Hey guys, this is Chadley with MetalWorks. Just wanted to give you a little more detail on the 56. I'll definitely be showing some pictures here of when we had it up on the lift as well, so you can see the extent of the rust underneath the car. But the 56 is very complete, but unfortunately, if you look, I mean, there's just nothing on the car that you would want to put onto a freshly painted, restored body. It's all here, but it's all so rough. I mean, every piece of trim is heavily dented or broken. So again, that's just why we're going to be going with the reproduction steel body. Even into the dash components. We're not sure if it was a storage issue, but just everything is so deteriorated on the car. Aaron busy stripping everything off the cowl section. Alright guys, just a quick look at the cowl here after acid dip. So we'll be prepping this then and getting ready to ship it down to the guys at Real Deal Steel. You can see Tom's got the cowl cleaned up. He had a little bit of rust repair to do up here in kind of the A-pillar section on both sides. Other than that, he just mostly trimmed it up for shipping down to Florida. So it's going to get sprayed in epoxy, then it's going to be ready to go. Alright guys, this is Chadley with another update on the 56 build here at MetalWorks. You can see the cowl's all cleaned up. The guys in the body shop have shot it in epoxy. So the next time we see this, we'll be down in Florida at Real Deal Steel. So thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you guys soon.